Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify app billing and subscriptions easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start updating your Shopify app billing and subscriptions, log into your Shopify partner dashboard. Navigate to the app section in the left sidebar. Find the app for which you want to update billing. Click on the app name to open the app details. In the app details, locate the billing section. Here, you can see the current billing setup for your app. To edit the billing settings, click on the Edit button in that section. Choose the type of billing you want to implement, whether it's one-time charges, subscription plans, or usage-based charges. For subscription plans, click on Add Subscription. Fill in the required details, including the name, price, and billing cycle. If you offer a trial period, specify the duration of the trial. Once you have completed the form, click on Save. Check the subscription settings to ensure everything is correct. If you need to remove an existing subscription, click the Delete button next to the subscription plan. Confirm the deletion to remove the old subscription. After updating, return to the app dashboard to verify the changes. Finally, test the billing updates by simulating a purchase or subscription checkout. Your Shopify app billing and subscriptions are now updated successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.